Welcome back to the Night Painter. I would like to show you how I paint feathers on a parrot. I first start by kind of chunking in olive green and Mars black. Just kind of make it a little bit spotty before I do a second layer. This is a bright green I mixed up with olive green and radiant green. Then as I go to the next layer, I put the olive green back down through the feathers. Eventually when this is dry, I'll come back in and shade around each feather to give it a little more dimension so it makes a little bit more sense. Same with the face, started feathering the face in.